Welcome to another LusoCAD tutorial. In this video, we will explain how to create and load Lisp applications in LusoCAD, greatly expanding the capabilities of the program and allowing for deeper customization and workflow enhancements. Let's first write our Lisp application. You can do it on the Windows Notepad or any other programming software. This Lisp file will make it so that once we activate it, it will show us the total area size for hatch objects, independently of if they are separate or not. Once you finish, remember to set the file extension as LSP. We name this one hatchlisp.lsp. Save the file and let's head over to LusoCAD. Go to the Manage ribbon. Click on Load Application. In this window we can see our loaded applications and our history. Let's click Load. Locate the Lisp file and accept. We can see that the file was correctly loaded. Let's close the window and test our application. Here we have created two separate hatch entities. Now, let's find out the total area using our Lisp application by writing total hatch area. And there you go. We can see the total hatch area on the command line. Now, if you follow these steps, the Lisp program will remain loaded until LusoCAD is closed, and once we restart it, the application will need to be loaded again. If you want the Lisp application to automatically start when LusoCAD is launched, we just have to add it to the Startup Suite. Open the App Load command and click on Startup Suite. Here we just have to add the LSP file once again, so LusoCAD launches it automatically. We can restart LusoCAD now. And you can see that the total hatch area command is loaded. Now you are ready to enrich your LusoCAD experience by utilizing Lisp applications and managing them. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more LusoCAD tips.